Welcome back to Wheelman's Garage. We're indoors today because it's a horrible day outside. It's raining, it's cold, it's miserable, damp. Anyway, I took a craft up the other day for a flight, and this is going to be something totally different, completely different. I'm not going to tell you which drone I used, okay? You tell me what you think about the video. Is it worth it for a drone to give you this? And we're not talking, Mini Pro 3. We're not talking, the top end of the top ends. It's not 5K or 6K or any of that stuff, okay? Just tell me what you think of the video, okay? Is it something recreationally you could use or you'd be happy using in a drone, okay? Let me know. Then the next video, I'll bring out and tell you which drone it was, okay? Remember all the drones I have, so tell me which one you think it is, okay? We'll see you in the next one. Enjoy the video. Take care. Bye for now.